Hey guys, what's up? So I'm planning to do another landscape photo shoot today here in Luxembourg, and I'm really excited about it because I want to take you with me on location. So today is the eve of National Day in Luxembourg, which means there's going to be fireworks everywhere, especially in Luxembourg City. So I photographed these fireworks before, a few years ago, and I wanted to do it again this year, but from a special location. I don't want to go down in the city and go through the crowd and all that craziness, and especially with the tripod, I don't want to bump into people. So I reached out to some contacts, and I will be heading to the rooftop of the Sofitel Luxembourg Le Grand Ducal, which is a hotel in Luxembourg. So I've been there before, and I know there is really the perfect view of the city. You can see the whole of the Petrus Valley on one side, the Grund neighborhood on the other, the Kirchberg in the distance, and the whole skyline of Luxembourg with the Spurkäse Bank Tower and the rooftops of the Notre Dame Cathedral. So it's a really nice view, and from there we should see the fireworks really well. Especially since this year they will be held again on the Adolf Bridge and not from the Fort Tungen. So yeah, I will be getting my gear ready and then I'm ready to head out. Let's go. Look at this amazing view. So while I set up my gear, you can have a look at Luxembourg City. Hey guys, I'm back in the car, the fireworks are over. It was a great show. Those 17 minutes, they went by so fast. I was running around everywhere on that roof, between the different cameras to capture the pictures, to make some video, and yeah, it was a lot of stress, a lot of running around. And I think I got some nice pictures of the fireworks, which will probably allow me to do some composites with some pictures I took earlier of the city during Blue Hour. And yeah, I also feel that I did not give a lot of information about the settings I used and the gear I used to take pictures of the fireworks, so I will put some information down below in the description of this video. So I also wish to thank the nice folks at Sofitel, which allowed me to use their rooftop tonight. It was a great opportunity to take those pictures from there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to do more videos like this in the future. Tell me what you thought about it in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm tired, it's late, I'm going to sleep. See you soon. Bye bye.